Have you ever wondered how a heat pump works? And how they can heat or cool a room simply by pressing a button? In this video, we will explain why heat pumps require very little electricity and can generate a quick and powerful source of heating or cooling a room in a matter of minutes. The inner components of a heat pump move a substance, called a refrigerant, from inside a room to outside, under both high and low pressure. They do this in a way that does not require any heating elements, and they only use a compressor to transfer heat. When cool mode is selected, 1. The liquid refrigerant moves to the indoor unit under low pressure. 2. The refrigerant absorbs heat from the surrounding air, where it boils, and then a fan blows out cold air. 3. The hot refrigerant vaporizes, then travels to the compressor. 4. The compressor forces the refrigerant toward the outdoor unit, and an expansion valve at the other end keeps the pressure in the outdoor unit high. 5. The high pressure converts the refrigerant back into a liquid, which then releases the stored heat. 6. The expansion valve slowly releases the liquid back into the indoor unit, and the process is repeated. When heat mode is selected, the refrigerant moves in the opposite direction. 1. The liquid refrigerant moves to the outdoor unit under low pressure. 2. The refrigerant absorbs heat from the surrounding air, where it boils and stores heat. 3. The hot refrigerant vaporizes and then travels to the compressor. 4. The compressor forces the refrigerant toward the indoor unit, and an expansion valve at the other end keeps the pressure in the indoor unit high. 5. The high pressure converts the refrigerant back into a liquid, which then releases the stored heat, and a fan circulates the hot air into the room. 6. The expansion valve slowly releases the liquid back into the outdoor unit, and the process is repeated. In this video, we have demonstrated how a compressor and a couple of fans circulate heat from outside in or inside out. As these components do not use a high amount of electricity, they make running a heat pump extremely cost-effective. The key component of a heat pump is a unique substance called a refrigerant. Refrigerants can absorb heat and boil at temperatures as low as -48 degrees Celsius. Without this property, a heat pump would not be able to produce warm air on a cold night. Our team here at Auckland Heat Pump Installation takes real pride in the excellent customer satisfaction we receive. We encourage our customers to learn more about their current heat pump and help them get the best results from it. Contact Auckland Heat Pump Installation for all of your heat pump needs, and we would be happy to assist you with any questions you may have.